Best RC planes. Are you looking for the best RC planes? In this video we will look at some of the best RC planes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M. The E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M stands out as one of the best all-around RC trainer airplanes available today. More than just a beginner model, it's a complete flight training system designed to help new pilots succeed quickly while still offering enough performance to keep intermediate flyers interested long after their first solo flights. With a generous 59-inch wingspan and Horizon Hobby's proven safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology, the Apprentice STS represents the modern gold standard for RC flight training. Built on the highly successful Apprentice S platform, this updated version integrates smart electronics that deliver real-time telemetry directly to compatible Spectrum transmitters. Battery voltage, current draw, and motor performance are displayed during flight, giving pilots better control and confidence. It truly feels like having a built-in flight instructor guiding every takeoff, turn, and landing. The Apprentice STS is ideal for first-time RC pilots thanks to its progressive safe flight modes. Beginner mode limits bank angles and automatically self-levels, while intermediate and experienced modes gradually unlock more freedom, including loops, rolls, and brief inverted flight. A dedicated panic recovery button instantly returns the aircraft to level flight if things go wrong. Durable EPO foam construction, wide-stance tricycle landing gear, and a forgiving wing design make ground handling and landings remarkably easy even on grass fields. Assembly takes under an hour, and parts support is excellent. While the battery and charger are sold separately, the Apprentice STS justifies its premium price with reliability, advanced technology, and an unmatched learning curve. For anyone serious about learning to fly RC airplanes, it's a confident, long-term investment that delivers success from day one. Number 2. VOLANTEXRC TrainStar Ascent, Best Value RC Plane. The TrainStar Ascent proves that learning to fly RC airplanes doesn't require a big budget. With a generous 1,400mm wingspan, this trainer delivers the kind of stability normally associated with much more expensive models, paired with reliable brushless power that inspires confidence from the first takeoff. Its biggest differentiator is the unibody ABS plastic fuselage. While most trainers rely entirely on foam, VOLANTEX chose crack-resistant plastic that can shrug off impacts that would permanently damage typical foam airframes. This aircraft is an excellent choice for budget-minded beginners who still want a large, capable platform. It's especially appealing for pilots who expect a few hard landings while learning, as well as clubs or youth programs where durability and longevity matter more than advanced electronics. In the air, the TrainStar Ascent is forgiving and predictable. The large wing produces smooth, floaty handling, giving new pilots time to react and correct mistakes. Assembly is quick thanks to the click-and-plug wing system, and the 1050 kV brushless motor provides strong climbs and enough power for basic aerobatics once skills improve. Build quality is a smart blend of toughness and practicality. The ABS fuselage resists cracking and maintains its shape even after repeated abuse, while the EPO foam wings keep weight reasonable and are easy to repair. Pre-installed electronics are neatly arranged, and external linkages make adjustments simple. Priced around $180 for the PNP version, the TrainStar Ascent offers outstanding value. It may lack modern stabilization systems, but its stability, strength, and low cost make it one of the best value trainers on the market and proof that flying well doesn't have to be expensive. Number 3. HobbyZone RC Airplane Carbon Cub S2 1.3M. Don't be misled by its budget-friendly reputation. The Carbon Cub S2 delivers impressive performance wrapped in a beautifully scale-accurate bushplane design. With a 1.3-meter wingspan, this STOL-capable aircraft blends beginner-friendly safe technology with the kind of versatility that keeps pilots flying it long after training is complete. From paved runways to rough fields, the Carbon Cub S2 is built to adapt and grow with your skills. This RC plane is an excellent choice for beginners who value realism and want a trainer that won't be outgrown quickly. It's especially appealing to pilots drawn to bush flying and short takeoff and landing operations but who still want the reassurance of electronic assistance while learning. For anyone seeking maximum features without investing in multiple aircraft, the Carbon Cub S2 makes a compelling case. Flying the Carbon Cub S2 is both confidence-inspiring and fun. Oversized Tundra tires allow takeoffs and landings from grass, dirt, and uneven terrain that would challenge traditional trainers. Safe flight modes provide a gentle learning curve, gradually unlocking more control as experience builds. Functional flaps add realism and improve slow-speed handling, while optional Safe Plus GPS support introduces advanced features like Autoland and Virtual Fence. Build quality is solid, with durable Z-foam EPO construction and thoughtful scale touches that enhance its visual appeal. While the battery and charger are sold separately, excellent parts support and upgrade options add long-term value. At around $300 for the RTF Basic package, the Carbon Cub S2 offers outstanding versatility. It's a trainer, a bush plane, and a relaxing everyday flyer, all in one well-priced package. Number 4. VOLANTEXRC F4U Corsair. Who says beginners have to start with boring trainers? This micro F4U Corsair flips the script by making a classic Warbird design approachable for first-time pilots. With a compact 400mm wingspan and the advanced spylet stabilization system, this traditionally demanding aircraft becomes surprisingly easy to fly. It's a perfect example of how modern electronics can tame even the most challenging airframes. This RC plane is ideal for new pilots who want something more exciting than a standard high-wing trainer. It's especially appealing to kids and adults fascinated by military aircraft but lacking prior flying experience. Anyone looking for a stress-free introduction to warbirds will appreciate how forgiving and confidence-inspiring this Corsair feels. What makes the experience so enjoyable is the balance between looks and performance. The Spylet 6-axis gyro actively prevents tip stalls and sudden snap rolls, keeping the aircraft stable even when inputs aren't perfect. 3 selectable flight modes allow pilots to progress at their own pace, while 1-key aerobatics let beginners perform impressive maneuvers with a single button press. At just 60 grams, crashes are rarely damaging and often end with the plane bouncing harmlessly away. Build quality is excellent for the price. Durable EPP foam resists impacts, the propeller saver design protects the drivetrain, and the detailed navy paint scheme adds real visual appeal. Everything arrives fully assembled and ready to fly. With flight times of 12 to 15 minutes and a complete RTF package priced around $110, this Corsair offers tremendous value. It proves that Warbird flying doesn't have to be intimidating and that beginners don't have to settle for ordinary. Number 5. E-flite P51D Mustang 1.2M, Best Warbird. The Cripes a Mighty third P51D Mustang represents Warbird flying at its finest in a sport-scale package. Featuring operational flaps, electric retracts, and an iconic 4-blade propeller, this model delivers an authentic Mustang experience right out of the box. Advanced AS3X stabilization, along with optional Safe Select, helps tame what is traditionally a demanding aircraft, making it far more approachable without sacrificing realism. This RC plane is best suited for intermediate to advanced pilots who are ready to step into a true full-house Warbird. It's a perfect match for aviation history enthusiasts who value accurate scale details as much as performance, as well as experienced flyers looking for the excitement and challenge that only a Mustang can provide. From the moment it lifts off, the P51D impresses. Scale exhaust stacks, detailed markings, and sequenced landing gear doors highlight E-flite's attention to realism. On a 3S battery, the aircraft feels smooth and refined, ideal for scale cruising and photo passes. Switch to 4S power and it transforms into a high-energy performer with exhilarating vertical capability. AS3X quietly smooths turbulence and control inputs while preserving the aircraft's authentic Warbird character. Build quality is outstanding, with reinforced EPO construction, metal-geared servos, and a high-quality paint finish that looks display-ready. Functional split flaps allow slow, controlled approaches, making landings surprisingly manageable for a Warbird of this type. Although now discontinued and harder to find, the P51D Mustang 1.2M remains a benchmark for sport-scale Warbirds. For pilots fortunate enough to own one, it offers a rare blend of scale beauty, advanced features, and thrilling performance.